Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Zack in the Piggy battle, full guide. Start by gathering a full party and confirming server rules allow secret unlocks. Next, inspect the map for the special spawn zones and mark them on your mini-map. Coordinate with teammates on timing and item placement so no steps are missed. Stay calm, follow the checklist, and repeat attempts if the spawn does not trigger immediately. Plan each action in sequence to reliably unlock Zack, keeping roles clear for each teammate. First, assign who grabs specific items and who holds position near ritual spots. Second, sync watches or use voice to start the placement together, reducing timing drift. Third, perform the final activation action only when all items are correctly placed and guards are clear. This reduces wasted attempts and speeds up success. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about saving and goals, and it pairs fun gaming rewards with smarter spending habits. It makes paying for upgrades feel intentional instead of impulsive. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want practical tips, pick it up. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your team adaptable and expect hiccups during the unlock run, and rehearse the sequence without items to build muscle memory. Use one player as a scout and one as a distraction to reduce interference at ritual zones. Conserve healing items until after activation to keep everyone alive during the spike event. Celebrate small victories and adjust strategy if the spawn conditions change between attempts to improve your success rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.